May I remind you that trading is risky and not suitable for everyone. Your past performance, good or bad, is not necessarily indicative of future results. Please stay small, stay humble, focus on the long term, and never risk money you cannot afford to lose. Welcome to QuantBox Daily. Today's February 1st. Happy February. We got through January. Next month's ahead of us. Let's make a count. What is QuantBox? QuantBox is your global macroeconomic quant in a box. A beautiful fundamental tool that if you add it to your trading will give you an edge because you'll have a fundamental bias. It's not just like a random bias either. It's based on a whole bunch of data that's quantitatively analyzed and gives you an idea of whether you're bullish, bearish, or neutral on a particular currency pair or asset class in the market. Weekly trial is just $7.90. What we use it for is we use the market heat map. We take a look at currencies that are currently up or down. Okay. And we then match up with bearish, i.e. prices come to resistance, or down with bullish because prices come down to support, or can we continue trading the trend in either direction? Right now we can see Aussie yen up, Kiwi yen up, Euro yen up, all the yen pairs up. So nice risk on morning. Down we've got some Aussies. Okay, cool. Again, you can see pound Aussie down. That's cool. Euro Aussie down. That matches what's happening with Aussie up here. Excuse me. The Swissies. Let's start at the top. So first of all, Aussie yen. Okay, so Aussie yen. Coming through the buy. Let's take a look at Aussie yen. All right, so from a positional perspective, we was looking at price breaking out of this range. Now you can see here that yesterday price closed. Sorry. Closed over there. So if you were in Asia today and you were buying off there, see price breaking back inside this range. I don't like this price action still. The price is now broken on the range, back inside the range. I want to see a break of this range. I'm going to leave this alone for now. I'm currently out of position weekly, definitely out of position monthly. But because of this higher low, I'm not so keen on buying. At this present moment, if you bought it in Asia, if you bought down here yesterday, weekly M2, then that's cool. Okay. Right now, in terms of where we are, in the middle of the range, I'm going to leave this alone. Let's take a look at the next pair. Kiwi yen. Let's look at all yen pairs. So Kiwi yen, so Aussie yen, we got CAD yen, neutral, Euro yen, neutral, pound yen, neutral, and then Kiwi yen, neutral. Okay. So all neutrals. Let's take a look at our next one. So CAD yen, still stuck inside that range. Euro yen, still stuck inside the range. Pound yen, still stuck inside the range. Kiwi yen, still stuck inside the range. Okay, let's leave all the yen pairs alone. Let's have a look at some dollars. We got Kiwi dollar, Aussie dollar. Let's take a look at the dollar pairs. So Euro dollar, neutral, pound dollar, strong sell, USD CAD, neutral, Aussie USD, sell, Kiwi dollar, neutral. Okay. So Aussie USD is still bullish, currently sitting up at a monthly M3. Okay, so now prices come up to this resistance over here. So what do? Well, it's neutral fundamentally. So if you're going to sell this, then you could verify everything on a lower time frame. Okay, broken up. So we go inside here, M15. Look for that lower high. Take this lower down. If you get it. Euro dollar, currently sideways. It's in the range. Pound dollar. Range. Kiwi dollar. So we've basically broken out of this range. Now we're inside that range over there. USD CAD. Up and down, back to the bottom. Okay. Still stuck inside the range. We still spoke yesterday about the fact that price, bottom of the range. The day before yesterday, looking at buy there, price pulling back. So you're still there, the bottom of that range. Lots of stuff ranging right now, hey? Okay. Take a look at the pairs at the bottom here. Pound, Aussie, Euro, Aussie. Pound, Aussie. Okay, cool. Euro, Aussie. Neutral. Okay, let's look at those pairs. Now, pound, Aussie, I think we're at the bottom of the range at the moment. Yeah. Leave it alone. Euro, Aussie. Because it's bearish, I'm not going to buy that. We're at the bottom of the range right now, so leave that alone. Euro, Aussie. Also bottom of the range. Wow. Okay. So where's the opportunities? Yeah, it's Swissy. Sure. Neutral. Still stuck in the range. Goodness gracious me. Euro Kiwi and pound Kiwi. Euro Kiwi coming through, bias of neutral. Pound Kiwi coming through, bias of strong sell. Okay. Euro Kiwi, still stuck inside the range. Pound Kiwi stuck inside the range. All right, cool. So here's the thing, guys. We're patiently waiting for a break of these ranges. Once a break of these ranges happens, we're looking to trade. Now, the only one that you're really sort of looking at right now, Aussie Yen, price breaking out the range yesterday. If you bought that at Asia, cool. If you're looking at this right now and you say you want to continue trading the range, the problem is look at the top of the range, right over there. Overall, everything, I'm waiting. I'm waiting on everything. My charts have been set up so I can see the ranges that are currently in place. I've got my fundamental bias, fair enough, but if technically we're sideways, I'm going to chill, okay? Let's see where we are tomorrow. Just stay patient, stay disciplined, stay liquid. Just, don't trade something which is in the middle of the range because that's a terrible place to trade. Let's see where we are tomorrow. Looks like more patience is in order. Cheers.